Good evening, students. Hope you're all doing well. And this video is all about the CA Inter Group 1, Group 2 crash batch as well as the CA Inter Group 2 regular batch. And I promise that I'm going to make a separate video for CA Inter study hours and revision examination batches. And apart from that, this video is entirely in English. And I request the students to kindly share this video with your friends. And if at all you are really an aspirant of CA Inter crash batch or Group 2 regular batch, please do watch this video till the end. Till the end. Since I'm going to cover some important points in the end, I request the students community, if at all if you are interested, if you feel that you're an aspirant of the CA Inter May 2023 examination, do watch this video till the end. Okay, let me continue. Hello guys. Let me start with the CA Inter crash batch. So CA Inter crash batch is available for Group 1 and Group 2. But please do note that not possible for the student to attend for both the Group 1 and Group 2 classes in physical mode, since the classes itself will be for 10 to 11 hours a day for each group. It is not possible for any student to attend the classes for Group 1 as well as for Group 2 at a time. And please do know that regular batch is different from crash batch. I'll tell you a simple example. In case of Group 1, in case of Group 1 crash batch, we are going to finish the syllabus within 550 hours. Whereas in case of the CA Inter Group 1 regular batch, we are going to take more than 850 hours. So that's a major difference between the crash batch and a regular batch. So the explanation will be in detail in case of regular batch, and the explanation will be little brief in case of crash batch. And you even find that in case of Group 1 regular batch, we are going to finish the syllabus in 850 hours, and we are not going to finish, I repeat, we are not going to finish the syllabus in case of Group 1 crash batch within 350 or 400 hours. We are going to take more than 550 hours. Of course, there is a disparity. Of course, there is a difference. There is a difference, but the difference is not too much. Let me start with the Group 1 and Group 2 crash batch. And we have three modes of coaching. I repeat, we have three modes of coaching. The first one is CPB, the complete physical batch. Second one is VOD, video recorded lectures or video on demand batch. The third one is MPM, which is a super hit. MPM, monthly payment mode, otherwise like a subscription model. Now I'll cover the details of all these three modes in detail. And let me start with the CPB, the complete physical batch of this year into Group 1 and Group 2 crash batch. My dear students, since it is meant for the repeaters, we are going to cover the syllabus in detail. We are not going to cover the syllabus in detail. We are not going to take 800 or 900 hours to cover the syllabus of each group. As I just told you, we'll be finishing the coaching for the CA Inter Group 1 or Group 2 in just 550 hours each. Put together will be 1100 hours. And of course, I just told you, a student is not possible to attend the classes for Group 1 or Group 2 at a time. Sorry, classes for Group 1 and Group 2 at a time. Okay. And this time, we have made a drastic change in our academic program. At first, we are going to complete the syllabus within 2.5 months, approximately within 60 working days. We are going to complete the syllabus for either Group 1 or Group 2 crash batch. And please do note that our services will be up to April 30, 2023. You may have a doubt, Mohan sir, you just told that the syllabus is going to complete within 2.5 months. Now, what will be the course of action left to the students after completion of the syllabus? My dear, it is very simple. After completion of the syllabus, for the rest of the period, we are going to conduct the study hours and revision examinations in a regular manner. So for 7 days a week, we'll be having study hours, and of course, on Sundays it will be half day, and weekly twice we'll be having revision examinations. And it's like a hybrid mode. It's like a hybrid mode. First, classes will be taken in crash mode, and thereafter the study hours and revision examinations will be conducted. And again, please do note that you're going to join for Group 1 crash match or Group 2 crash match. After the declaration of the results, you will be allowed to attend for the study hours and revision examinations till April 30, 2023, based on the schedule that we are going to release, either for Group 1 or for Group 2 of your choice. Suppose, say, for example, you are taken admission for group 1 crash batch. Crash batch is nothing but a coaching classes. In case of the studies and revision examination batches, you need not continue for group 1. You may attend the studies and revision examinations for group 2 as well. It may be for a valid reason. Say, for example, it may be for a valid reason. Say, for example, you might have joined for group 1 on the expectation that you are not going to qualify group 1. Fortunately, in the results that are going to be declared by the end of December 2022 or by the first week of January 2023, you might have qualified. You might qualify in the group 1 itself. In such a case, after finishing the syllabus, you can continue without making any additional conversion charges, without making the payment of any additional conversion charges for group 2 study hours and revision examination batches. And the coaching fees, see, for a tenure of 5 months, for a duration of 5 months, the coaching fees including all is 31,000 and material fee will be charged at 2,000 rupees, and it is quite optional. If at all, if you feel that you have the material of masterminds earlier, you already have the masterminds material, you already had the you already have the masterminds material. In such a case, you need not buy the material being supplied by masterminds team. So buying the materials is quite optional in case of CA inter crash batch. And of course, if at all, if you want to buy the material, it will be 2,000 rupees. And please do note that this 31,000 is not the fees alone for the crash batch. This 31,000 includes the following three. One, the group 1 or group 2 crash batch fees, and the study hours and revision examination batches fees as well. So for the entire 5 months, which includes the crash batch and also includes the study hours and revision examinations, we are going to charge 31,000. And coming to the hostel facility, yes, we do have hostel facility for boys and girls at Guntur. So since there is no CPB, complete physical batch in case of our branches, the question of joining hostel will not arise there. So in case of Guntur, we do have hostel facility and we are going to charge 6,000 rupees per month, including Dobi charges. I repeat, including Dobi charges. Say for a tenure of 5 months, we are going to charge 30,000. We are going to charge 30,000. And please do note that after completion of the syllabus, the students will be shifted. Our hostel students will be shifted to CRS system, complete residential system. In case of boys, you'll be shifted to Shantiniketan campus, and in case of boys, you'll be shifted to Ruchita campus. See, the decision may change. See, I mean to say, shifting to CRS is mandatory, but the campus, we haven't taken any final decision. Is only a preliminary decision. It's only a preliminary decision. You are likely to shift. You are likely to be shifted. I repeat, you are likely to be shifted. In case of boys, you are likely to be shifted for attending the study hours and revision examination batches to Shantiniketan campus. In case of girls, you are likely to be shifted to Ruchita campus. I hope you are all aware of the fact complete residential system is a superb success, super hit, where the students will be allowed to attend the study hours in the same campus. Their hostel as well as the study campus will be the same, and you can even study for the entire night. It's absolutely left to the choice of the student. Say, for example, you want to go for studies up to 3 a.m. early morning. Yes, absolutely, you are allowed. And there are going to be restrictions with respect to the usage of cell phone as well. You'll be permitted to use the cell phone only for 2 hours a day, or at max 3 hours a day, subject to certain rules and regulations. And we are going to give a room called cell phone usage room, and you are allowed to use that cell phone only in that designated room, and also for only designated purposes like watching online classes or attending the office emails. Okay, let me continue, students. As I just told you, the coaching for the crash batch is available in 3 different modes. Again, it's a unique one. Not every CA coaching center is offering CA inter crash batch as well as group 2 regular batch. Not every CA coaching center is offering CA inter crash batch in 3 different modes. We are offering this in CPB mode, physical batch mode, complete physical batch mode. Second one, VOD mode, video on recording, video on demand batch, otherwise called as video recorded lectures, and the monthly payment mode, otherwise called as subscription model. And my dear students, there's one more uniqueness. Apart from the conducting the classes, during the coaching classes, we do even conduct the Sunday revision examinations. Not just the conducting the revision examinations, we also do the valuation services, and we also prepare a valuation report, and we even share the valuation report to the students. I'm talking about the conducting the revision examinations on weekends during the course of conducting the classes. And you after finishing the classes, for the rest of the 3.5 months, for the rest of the 2.5 months, you will be having exclusively the study hours and revision examinations, and you will be given the India's best material. I just told you buying the material is optional in case of crash batch. And who are going to take the classes? It is the central office faculty. It is the central office faculty, the CO batch faculty. And apart from that, in case of few subjects, more than one faculty is going to teach. In case of few subjects, a subject like accountancy, you'll be taught by more than one faculty. That's nothing but expertise knowledge. That's nothing but specialization. And our faculty will be best not for just one or two subjects. Our faculty will be best for the entire subjects. For all the subjects, our faculty will be the best. See, it may happen with some coaching centers. There, at max one or two subject faculty may be best, but whereas the case is totally different in case of masterminds. Our entire team is the best. Our entire team is the best. And what is the mode of teaching? The teaching will be entirely in English. 100% teaching will be in English. But of course, the difficult topics will be repeated in Telugu as well. And that will be limited to hardly 20 to 30%. So after completion of the teaching in English, in case if the faculty feels that that is a to crack, that is a tough topic to crack, is a difficult topic which may not be understood by all the students, the faculty may repeat the same in Telugu as well. Do note that it's a repetition. We are going to discuss, we are going to teach in English, and we are going to repeat the same in Telugu as well. We repeat the same in Telugu as well. And followed by the guidance classes by our academic head, CA Prakash sir, having more than 20 years of experience in the field of CA and CMA coaching. And of course, I do take motivation classes. I do take motivation classes, and we are going to call the eminent speakers also to have a regular motivation classes. And not just the crash batches. Let me tell you the number of batches right now we are handling at Guntur in the month of November 2022 for CA Inter and CMA Inter. See, by seeing the number, you can understand the kind of leadership we have in CA courses and CMA courses. Okay, recently the students of November batch have completed their examinations and left the campus. So till November 2022, we used to have the following batches, the old batches. So the following are the batches. We used to have CA Inter 47th session, regular batch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 regular batches for CA Inter and 1 or 2 regular batches for CMA Inter, exclusive batches. So in addition to 8 CA Inter regular batches, we have 1 CMA Inter exclusive batch. In addition to that, in June 2022, we have started CA Inter Group 1 crash batch and Group 2 crash batch and Group 2 regular batch as well. And again in August 2022, we have started Group 1 crash batch and Group 2 crash batch for CA intern. And again in July 2022, we have started the new CA Inter regular batches for the June 2022 CA Foundation aspirants. So those batches are called 48th session CA Inter regular batch, 48th session CA Inter regular batch. So those are completed the CA Foundation in June 2022. Soon after completion of the examination, we have started the new CA Inter regular batches. And of course, pre-results regular batches and post-results regular batches. And those students are going to appear for the CA Inter examinations in May 2023. And you'll be surprised to know, you will be surprised to know that we have batch number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for 48th session CA Inter regular batches as well. In addition to that, we have CMA Inter exclusive regular batch, and the students of this batch are going to attempt in June 2023. In addition to that, we are going to commence a new CA Inter regular batch Group 2 and CA Inter Group 1 crash batch and Group 2 crash batch on November 24, 2022. And you'll be surprised to know that we have another 1,000 plus students on yearly basis. We have another 1,000 plus admissions and in a year for CA Inter study hours and revision examination batches. Wait. I haven't included any of the admissions or any of the batches that we have in our branches. These are the branches that we have only in physical mode alone at Guntur campus, that is central office. And in case of Guntur, yes, of course, we have little more number of admissions in the name of COB, complete online batch, for which the physical batch classes will be live telecasted. Okay, let me continue. And yes, you might have heard this name. Masterminds is a complete CA college, is a complete CMA college. Why is it so? I'll tell you. We have coaching facilities, studies and revision examination batches, I mean to say test series, from foundation to final level. And of course, both for CA and CMA as well. That's why Masterminds is called as a complete CA college. Students, if at all, if you want to have the demo lectures of a faculty, yes, you may visit. You may. Just a minute. Just a minute. You can see this. You can find good number of free marathon lectures being given by our CA inter and CMA inter faculty. And few of the marathon lectures are entirely English and few of the marathon lectures are in mixed language, both English and Telugu. And you can find these free marathon lectures readily available in Masterminds for CA and CMA YouTube channel. And of course, if at all, if you want to have the demo lectures, you can call our helpline numbers 9885125025 and 26, and you can have the demo lectures of our faculty. And OTFC, coming to the OTFC, one-time free coaching. My dear students, I advise the students of CA Inter, sorry, I'd like to tell about the details of this OTFC, one-time free coaching to the CA Inter 47th session regular batch students of either Guntur or of any of our branches. See, if you are from SSP1 or SSP2 or SSP3, SSP stands for single step program, then you are eligible for either group 1 or group 2 crash batch coaching free of cost. This is called one-time free coaching. Please do note that OTFC, one-time free coaching, is not available in case of post-results batches which are likely to commence in February 2023. This facility is available only in pre-results batches. And of course, this facility is available either in physical mode, CPB, or in VOD mode, video on demand mode, or video lectures mode. For details, you may please contact 9885125025 and 26. And my dear students, my dear children, if at all, if you feel any inconvenience, you may even reach me at 988. You can even reach me at msnmohan2013 at the rate gmail.com. I'll be happy to serve you. Let me continue. Apart from the group 1 and group 2 crash batch, we have another mode of coaching called group 2 regular batch. Please do know that we don't have group 1 regular batch for May 2023 aspirants. The batches for the May 2023 aspirants in regular format are already started in July 2022 itself. That will be a 10 months batch. Since the time is not available, we are not starting the group 1 and group 2 regular batch for May 2023 aspirants. Hardly we have 5 months of time, which is little more than 5 months. So that's why we are able to complete the syllabus in regular format, where the coaching will be given in detail only for one group, and we are choosing group 2. So group 2 regular batch is available. And the classes of which will also commence on November 24, 2022 itself. And again, this batch is also for 5 months, which is little more than 5 months. Our services will be up to April 30, 2023. And our coaching will be completed within 650 to 700 hours of course. 700 hours. And it will take approximately 3 to 3.5 months for completion of the syllabus. And after completion of the syllabus, we will continue to have the studies and revision examinations till April 30, 2023, meaning to say that it's a hybrid batch. At first, for 3 to 3.5 months, we'll complete the coaching. After that, we will conduct the studies and revision examination batches till April 30, 2023. Please do note that, my dear children, in case of hostel students, after completion of the syllabus, you will be shifted to complete residential system. You'll be shifted to complete a residential system. You'll be shifted to another hostel campus where the study campus and the hostel will be the one and the same. And again, I want to repeat, after completion of the syllabus, if at all, though you're joined for group 2 regular batch, if at all, if you want to continue for the group 1 studies and revision examination batches, You're absolutely permitted without making, I repeat, without making the payment of any conversion charges. Let us suppose that on a thought that you are going to complete group 1, you are joined for group 2 regular batch. Very unfortunate. You haven't cleared your group 1 in the upcoming results. In such a case, you can continue for the group 1 study hours and revision examination batches till April 30, 2023 without making any additional amount in the name of conversion charges. And my dear children, again, this group 2 regular batch is also available in 3 modes. That's the uniqueness of Masterminds. We are serving the needs of the students in offline mode and as well as in online mode. And if you are not able to afford the fees, and if you are not able to afford the fees, you can avail our coaching classes in payment mode also, which is absolutely 3,000 per month and 5,000 rupees. I'm going to tell you the details later. Okay. And again, for this also, we're going to conduct the Sunday revision examinations. We are going to value the answer sheets and we are going to return them. We are going to give the performance report also. And what's the fees for this? Monsa, what's the fees for this? For group 2 regular batch, the fees is 31,000, which includes the coaching fees and includes the studies and revision examinations fees also. Sorry, let me repeat. What's the fees for group 2 regular batch, which is for a tenure of 5 months? It is 31,000 plus here the material, buying the material is mandatory. It will cost you 4,000 rupees a group. Of course, you are going to join only for group 2, then you need to pay only 4,000 rupees. And in addition to that, you need to make a payment of 5,000 rupees towards study hours and revision examinations that we are going to conduct after completion of the syllabus. After completion of the syllabus. So it is 31,000 plus 5,000, 36,000 and 4,000 metals. In total, it's going to cost you 40,000. 40,000. It is including all, including the cost of materials, including the study hours and revision examinations. Okay. And the hostel fees is same, 6,000 rupees per month, which includes Toby as well. And after completion of the syllabus, the hostel students will be shifted to, yes, you are right, complete a residential system, your dream destination, complete residential system, where you can have your studies in a very peaceful environment. Even if you're going to study for the entire night, none of our staff members are going to disturb you. And it's going to be, I promise you, it's going to be a cell phone free zone, a distraction free zone. You will be permitted to make use of the cell phone only for the limited purposes, only for the limited time, and in our and also in a limited space. You'll be given a separate room and you are allowed to use that cell phone only in that room. Okay, coming to the VOD batch details. Let me start with the crash batch. VOD batch, video recorded lectures or video on demand batch is like anywhere, anytime learning. And it is most suitable for those students who can't attend the physical classes for any reason. And suppose, say for example, you are into articleship, you are qualified as a group 1 or group 2 and you are joined for articleship. In such a case, for the second group, you can take the coaching classes in online mode, and that is called VOD, video on demand mode, otherwise called as video recorded lectures. And we are going to offer these video recorded lectures through an app called Masterminds Online Classes app. By the way, I hope that other you might have downloaded the Masterminds Online Classes app by this time, and it is available both for iOS users as well as Android users. And the validity will be for 6 months, and the videos are available with 1.5 use option, where the 1 hour video will be allowed to be watched for 1.5 hours. What's the fees, Mohan sir? It is 14,000 for a duration of 550 hours. The coaching will be finished in 550 hours, and of course you will be allowed to watch those videos within on any day at any time within 6 months. On any day at any time within 6 months. And for a period of 6 months, the fees is 14,000 rupees, which amounts to an average cost of 2,333 rupees per month. And my dear students, the uniqueness is these videos are not recorded in a shooting room. I repeat, these videos are not recorded in a shooting room. All these videos are recorded in the classroom itself. The fragments will be different. In case if we record the lectures in the classroom, it includes the doubts clarification being covered by the faculty. Say, for example, I myself is a faculty, and based on the body language, if I feel that the students are not able to understand what I taught. In such a case, I may repeat the same, which is an added advantage, which may not be available in case the video lectures are recorded in a shooting room. Is it not? And the PDF material will be given in PDF form. Material will be given in PDF form. And apart from that, you are even allowed to buy the coaching classes on subject-wise basis. Again, I'm going to give the details in a detailed manner at a later point of time. Just wait. Just a minute. Students, this is the listing that is available for CA Inter Group 1 Crash Batch and Group 2 Crash Batch in Masterminds Online Classes app. After downloading the app, you need to search the same in search bar. Just type the word CA Inter Crash Batch and you'll be given the details. So Group 1 and Group 2 is available for 14,000 rupees. And before you buy this course, please do press the same and you'll find all the details in the description. I recommend the students to not to buy this course without going through the details given in the description. And of course, I need to cover the details of the subject-wise coaching. Also, I'll do it later. My dear students, let me start with the details of the VOD with respect to Group 2 regular batch. Group 2 regular batch. Before I start, let me show you. So the Group 2 regular batch is also available for sale in the same Masterminds Online Classes app with 12 months validity with 1.5 use option. And the syllabus is going to be covered. The syllabus is going to be completed within 665 hours or approximately 700 hours. And please do know that we are going to send the printed materials. We are going to send the printed materials, which is not so available in case of Crash Batch. We are going to provide the printed materials for the CA Inter Group 2 regular batch VOD purchases. So though you may spend 24,900, that includes the entire Group 2 set materials. And the other details are same as the CA Inter Crash Batch. And of course, we have a concept called the MPM also. Let me start with the MPM. Before I start with the details of the MPM, I'd like to throw some light on the achievements that we have made at CA Inter and CMA Inter and CA Final and CMA Final level. Let me start with the last minute, students. Let me start with the CA Inter and of course the IPCC, the old syllabus. Our students are secured more than 100 ranks. I repeat, more than 100 ranks, which exactly comes to 1 or 2 in the last 9 years. So average number of ranks that have been secured by our students each year is more than 10 at IPCC and CA Inter level. And alone in 2022, I repeat, alone in 2022, our students are secured the following all India ranks at CA Inter new syllabus and old syllabus. In CA Inter new syllabus and old syllabus, which includes all India first, 8th, 10th, 10th, 29th, 32nd, 35th, and 44th and 47th ranks. And last year, 2021, last year, 2021, February 2021 or March 2021 results. I'm talking about the March 2021 CMA Inter and CMA Final results. As you all know that in CMA Inter and CMA Final, only 50 ranks will be announced on pan-India basis. Of course, the same rank will be allotted to multiple students if they have secured the same marks. And you'll be surprised to know that you will definitely appreciate the efforts being put by our team members and of course, the achievements made by our students as well. So our students are secured All India First and All India Second, and apart from All India First and Second, our students are secured 98 All India ranks. And please do note that these are not our lifetime ranks. Our students are secured 98 All India ranks at CMA Inter and CMA Final level alone in a single attempt. The results of which have been declared in March 2022 and coming to the September 2022. March 2021. And coming to the CMA results that were declared in September 2022. Our students have made a record, an all-time record. Our students have made an history. Our students have made an history, an all-time record. And they have set a kind of record which is not so easy for anyone else to break it. Even it's not so easy, honestly speaking, it's not so easy even for the masterminds team also to break it. They have set such a tallest record, such a greatest record. Our students are secured All India first and All India second, and apart from All India first and second, our students are secured 86 All India ranks in CMA Inter and 39 ranks in CMA final. Put together 125 ranks, and let me repeat, these ranks are not our lifetime ranks. All these ranks have been secured by our students in a single result that was declared on September 27, 2022. I'm proud of you, my dear students. Now coming to CA final, our students are secured 49 All India ranks in the last 5 years, which amounts to more than 10 ranks a year. I repeat, more than 10 ranks a year on an average, and which includes the following 3 single digit ranks that have been secured in 2020 All India first, 2019 All India fourth, and 2018 All India ninth rank. And apart from that, our student by name Guru Bhaskar has secured All India first rank in CMA final 2020, and I just told you Nikhil has secured All India first rank at CMA final level in 2021 March. And apart from that, recently Govardhan, our student by name Govardhan, has secured All India second rank in CMA final 2022 results as well. And not just this, our students have secured 7 All India first rank in just 3 years. I repeat, in just 3 years. Please do note that these are not the ranks that have been secured at state level. These are the All India first ranks. These are not the ranks that have been secured at inter MEC or CEC level. These are the ranks secured. These are the ranks secured at CA and CM in CA and CMA courses. And these are the ranks. Also note that these are not the ranks secured in our lifetime. These are the ranks being secured by students in just a matter of 3 years. In just a matter of 3 years, with a hat trick, our students are secured All India first rank for 7 times. Which is again a remarkable achievement, history itself. And it happened in February 2019. You can find the same even in our mastermindsforca official Facebook page even now also. As much as 2,110 students have qualified CA Inter and IPCC, either both groups or single group, in a single shot. This is part 1, containing 33, 34, 35, 36 pages, and part 2, containing 28, 29, 30, and 31 pages. Put together near about 70 pages, which includes the details like hall ticket number and name of the student. We have been so transparent. And we are not just proud with respect to the ranks that have been secured by our students, we are equally proud with respect to the number of pass outs. Alone in February 2019, more than 2,000 students are passed out. More than 2,000 students have passed out from masterminds either for group 1 or group 2 or both. And this is the photo session. This is a photo session that were held in May 2019 and November 2019 session. Yearly we'll be having 2 sessions. Yearly we'll be having 2 batches. So May 2019 and November 2019, we have near about 41 batches. Sorry, just a minute. Sorry, let me continue. By mistake, I gathered the CA final photo session photo. Okay, image. Now let me show you the photo session. The image of the CA Inter photo session that was conducted in May 2019 and November 2000. So yearly we'll be having 2 batches, and yearly we'll be having 2 photo sessions as well. So put together in May 2019 and November 2019, you'll be surprised to know that 61 batches are there for CA Inter and CMA Inter. Out of that, 49 plus 1 plus 1, near about 52, near about 10 batches, we are not able to conduct the photo session for the reason that there is an outbreak of corona. Suddenly, with the outbreak of corona, we asked the students to immediately leave the campus and to go there to hometown. So it is for that reason we could not have the photo session for near about 10 batches. For the For the rest of the 52 batches, these are the photos. And you can find these photos even now also in our Masterminds for CA official Facebook page. And this was the gratitude being shared by one of our students in the recently declared results. He qualified as CA final. So after the announcement of the results, this is the way of conveying the gratitude. One of our students has sent a message to me. Mohan sir, I qualified. So not CA final, it is CA inter. Sorry, please accept my apology. Mohan sir, I qualified my CA inter in today's results, and he quoted a quotation, Kavali CA, Ravali Guntur, Cherali Mana MM. Yes, now Guntur has become a sentiment for many CA students. It has become a household name for many CA and CMA students. Now it has become a sentiment. And I hope you might have watched the recent video I made. Recently, our Vice President of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India made an official visit to the Guntur branch, and he quoted that Guntur is like a quota of Rajasthan for CA course. You all know that quota is very much famous for IIT courses. It's there in Rajasthan. Guntur is like a quota of Rajasthan. In case of quota, that is famous for IIT coaching. Whereas in case of Guntur, now it is famous for, in case of Guntur, it is famous for CA and CMA coaching. And the probably we haven't decided. Probably the most probably the CA inter group 1 and group 2 crash batch and group 2 regular batch classes are going to be conducted in this campus by name Pavanaputra campus. This is called the study campus. And I just told you, after finishing your syllabus, we are going to shift you to CRS system, complete residential system. In case of boys, it is likely to be Shantiniketan. In case of girls, it is likely to be Ruchita campus. So this is a visual of the Shantiniketan campus, consisting of C block, A block, B block. Most probably, you will be asked to stay in A block. And my dear students, before I conclude, so I'm seeking you another 5 to 10 minutes of your valuable time. Before I conclude, don't give more importance to our ranks. If you want to take admission in masterminds, give more importance to our commitment, our experience, and dedication. Rather than giving more importance to our ranks, you please give more importance to our experience. We have completed 20 years of successful journey. To my knowledge, subject to correction, there is no other CA coaching center in South India which completed 20 years of successful journey in CA and CMA coaching. And as we all know that we have been providing our online classes since from 2020, post-pandemic, through a facilitator by name Class Plus team or Class Plus app. It's a leading edtech company on pan-India basis, and to my knowledge, subject to correction, they have been providing this technical support to not less than 15 to 20,000 educational institutions on pan-India basis to sell their online coaching classes. And my dear students, with the support being extended by the students community and support being extended by our team members, we have been ranked as one of the top 3 coaching centers on pan-India basis. I repeat, we have been awarded as a top 3 coaching centers on pan-India basis in online mode. And 2022 is like a year of awards. 2022 is like a year of awards. Masterminds team has secured the most prestigious awards both at national level and state level in 2022. In 2022, I'm sharing few of those awards. And without the support being extended by the students, parents, and our team members, this would have not been possible. I'm absolutely conveying my unconditional thanks to all our team members, students, and of course, the parents as well. And I'm happy to share that our Masterminds YouTube channel has crossed more than 50 lakh views. More than 50 lakh views. And recently, we have started another dedicated YouTube channel by name Masterminds for CA and CMA English channel. Only the English content will be uploaded in this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our main channel, which is titled as Masterminds for CA and CMA, you please subscribe. You'll be able to get, you'll be able to have an access to many free content, many valuable free contents, many valuable free contents. Just a minute. I'll just join within 10 seconds, not even a minute. Coming to the details of the MPM. My dear students, it's like a sensation. It's like a sensation. Uh, Honestly, even I too haven't expected that this will be a grand success. So the response from the students community is so superb. That is absolutely more than what we expected, and many times that is absolutely more than many times what we expected. Much more than many times what we expected. In case of CMA Inter, sorry, in case of CA Inter, in case of CA Inter, which is called as monthly payment mode, otherwise called as subscription model also, or subscription mode also. On a payment of 1 month subscription fees, the students will be given access for access for the videos for 40 days. I repeat, for 40 days, which is again unusual, which is again exceptional. For a payment of 1 month subscription, you will be given access to 28 days or 30 days, which happens usually. But whereas in case of masterminds, for a limited period of, as a limited period offer, we are going to give the videos access for a period of 40 days. And this MPM is available in two versions, which is called as basic version and premium version. In case of premium version, on a payment of just 5,000 rupees per month, you will be given access to 800 hours of group 1 or 700 hours of group 2 coaching classes. In case of group 1, it is more than 800 hours, near about 850 hours. Okay. So say for example, say if you are not interested to invest that much, if it is not affordable for you, then you have another subscription model also, another payment mode also, another plan also, which is called the basic version. On a payment of just 3,000 rupees per month, you'll be given access to group 1 or group 2 coaching classes, which are to an extent of 550 hours. So premium version, near about 850 hours of group 1 or 700 hours of group 2. Basic version, 300 hours of group 1 or 300 hours of, sorry, basic version, 550 hours of group 1 or 550 hours of group 2. And material will be shared in PDF form. Material will be shared in PDF form. And let me repeat, for a payment of 1 month subscription, you will be given access to videos for 40 days. Is it not a great thing we are doing? Yes, thanks a lot. Let me continue with the CMA Inter also. The same monthly payment mode is available for CMA Inter aspirants also. In case of premium version, you'll be given access to 850 hours of group 1 and 565 hours of group 2 on a payment of 5,000 rupees per month. So please do know that this 5,000 rupees per month is per group. Suppose, say for example, you have made a payment of 5,000 rupees, you'll be given access to either group 1 or group 2 videos. And the same CMA course is available in a different different plan called payment plan called basic version. On a payment of 3,000 rupees per month, you will be given access to 450 hours of either group 1 or 450 hours of either group 2. And even in this case also, materials will be shared in PDF form. And one more important thing, my dear children, all these will be subject to a GST of 18%. Wait. We are not going to collect the same from the students community. We are going to make the payment of the GST out of our pocket. Say for example, this is a model invoice. We have made a payment of 1,40,000 for our supplier. And on that 1,40,000, our supplier have collected 18% GST, which amounts to a total of 1,64,000. So in case the supplier is collecting the GST from the buyer, it will be shown as like this. So 140 added by GST, a total of 1,65,200 rupees. Whereas this is the invoice that we issue for those students who take admission in CPB mode, physical batch mode. We have collected 5,000 and we have given the GST invoice. Meaning to say that we are not going to collect anything from the students community in the name of GST. On the other hand, we are going to make the payment of GST out of our pocket. Without collecting the GST from the students community, we are going to make the payment of GST out of our pocket. I'll just show you the evidence. Recently, in the month of November 2022, we have made a payment of 66 lakhs approximately for the AP operations in the name of GST. Whereas in case of Telangana operations, near about another 4 lakhs. which amounts to put together 70 lakhs. So 70 lakhs is the amount of GST that we have paid to the government of AP and Telangana as well as the central government without collecting the same from the students community. And of course, you all know that GST is a kind of indirect tax which need to be collected from you, which need to be borne by you. Is it not a great service? Is it not a great support we are extending to the students community? Yes, yes. Thanks for acknowledging. Thanks for appreciating. And the last one, we are going to end within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So coming to the subject-wise coaching, So these are the details. CA crash batch coaching is also available on subject-based basis. Say for example, if you want to buy the videos of the income tax alone, they are available for sale at just 1,500 rupees. And the income tax will be taught within 100 hours since it is a crash batch with validity of 1 month and with one view option. So these are the details of CA Group 2. Say for example, auditing. The entire auditing will be available for sale at just 2,000 rupees. And auditing will be finished in 85 hours since it is a crash batch with 1 month validity and with one view option. Say for example, you want to buy the same subjects with a longer validity period. In such a case, income tax is available for sale at 2,000 rupees with 6 months validity, 1.5 use option. See, the duration of the coaching is same. 100 hours is the income tax. Here also it is 100 hours. But the longevity, the validity will be for a little longer period. And the views option will change. In case of the first one, it is one view. Now, in case of the later one, it is 1.5 views. Say, for example, auditing. The same auditing is available for 2,000 rupees with 6 months validity with 1.5 views option. Okay. Now, coming to the regular batch mode of coaching. See, as you all know that by this time you might have come to a conclusion. What's the difference between the crash batch and the regular batch? Say, for example, income tax. In case of crash batch, it will be taught in 100 hours. Whereas in case of regular batch, it will be taught in 180 hours. My dear students, it is exclusive of GST subject. We are going to teach income tax alone for 180 hours. With 1 month validity, one view option is available for sale at just 2,000 rupees. Same is the case for Group 2 CA regular batch videos also. And same is the case with Group 1 and Group 2 regular batch videos with a different validity period of 6 months and 1.5 use option. 6 months and 1.5 use option. So earlier, in case of income tax, regular batch videos consisting of 180 hours is available for sale at just 2,000 rupees with 1 month validity and one view option. Now, this time, the same is available for 5,000 rupees with 6 months validity with 1.5 views option. And my dear students, similar is the case for CMA Inter students also. Let me show the flyers of the CMA Inter also. Hello students, and here are the details of the CMA Inter as well. CMA Inter subject-wise coaching. With one view and 1 month validity, the following subjects are available for sale at a following fee. Take an example of cost accounting. Cost accounting will be taught for 220 hours and it is available for just 3,000 rupees with one view and 1 month validity. So these are the details of the Group 1 and these are the details of Group 2. And some of the students may be interested to have a longer validity period. In such a case, so these are the details. You see, by mistake, it was printed as 12 months. In fact, it is 6 months validity. So 6 months validity course is available in case of cost accounting for 8,000 rupees. For 8,000 rupees with 1.5 views option. Similarly, CMA Inter Group 2 subjects are also available for sale on subject-wise basis with 1.5 views option with 6 months validity. Again, there's a mistake. Instead of 6 months, it was shown as it was typed as 12 months. It was typed as 12 months. I'll just show you a comparison. In case of cost and management accounting and financial management, it is available for sale at 8,000 rupees, which will be taught for a duration of 140 hours with 1.5 views option with 6 months validity. The same regular batch content of 140 hours is available for sale with 1 month validity with one view option at just 3,000 rupees. So the choice is yours. Apart from that, The same CMA inter subject-wise coaching is also available in crash mode also. So these are the details of the regular batch. For example, the financial accounting will be taught for 225 hours in case of regular batch, which will regular batch in the sense regular batch in the sense the coaching will be in detail. The same subject will be taught for just 150 plus hours in case of crash batch. So the crash batch videos are available with 6 months validity with 1.5 views option at the following prices. So 4,000 is applicable fees. The same subject of financial accounting with 150 hours of coaching, which is otherwise called as crash batch coaching with 6 months validity, is available for 4,000 rupees. The same subject is available for 9,000 rupees with the 6 months validity also. I just told you it was printed by mistake. It is only 6 months. So then what's the difference, sir? Here you are selling it for 4,000. The same subject is you are selling it for 9,000 rupees. There are two differences. In case of regular batch, it will be taught in detail. You can see it is taught for 224 hours. In case of crash batch, it is taught for 150 hours approximately. 150 hours approximately. Of course, that's the only difference. By mistake, I told you that there are two differences. And same is the case with CMA Inter Group 2 Crash Batch also. CMA Inter Group 2 Crash Batch videos are also available for sale at the following prices with 1.5 use option with 6 months validity. Again, please accept my apology. There is another mistake. Instead of crash batch, they have typed it as regular batch. This is CMA Inter Crash Batch. Take an example of cost accounting or cost and management accounting. Will be taught for 130 hours in case of crash batch. The same will be taught for little lesser, little more, 140 hours in case of regular batch. In case of regular batch, last one. I'm going to conclude with this. The rapid revision batch videos are available for sale in case of CA Inter, where you can finish revising the entire course within just 20 to 30 hours per subject. And the following are the details of the applicable fees. And the conclusion. And the conclusion. You can avail a biggest support from our team. You can avail a biggest support from our team at free of cost. That is free doubts clarification group for CA and CMA inter students, and it is available in Telegram channel. If you can search this in Masterminds for CA CMA inter, Masterminds for CA CMA inter doubts clarification, you can find out this Telegram channel. If possible, I'll leave the link in the description of this YouTube video also. So have a happy learning. All the best. God bless you. Bye. Thanks a lot. Hello, students. I forgot to mention one important thing. It is the CMA Inter Crash Batch. I repeat, the CMA Inter Crash Batch, which is available for just 4,000 rupees, and it is meant for those students who are appearing for both CA Inter and CMA Inter examinations. I mean to say, who are preparing for both CA Inter and CMA Inter. See, this batch is otherwise named as CMA Inter Exclusive Chapters, and is available for 4,000 rupees, and the free material will be sent through courier, and approximately 140 hours of coaching will be given. I repeat, this is available, this is suitable only for those students who are appearing both for CA Inter and CMA Inter. And please do note that this 4,000 is not for the subject alone. I mean to say this 4,000 is not for a single subject. This 4,000 is for the entire CMA Inter course. Of course, it doesn't cover all the subjects. Sorry, of course, it doesn't cover all the chapters. It covers only the chapters which are not covered in CA Inter. In simple to say, the exclusive chapters covered in CMA Inter, but not in CA Inter. I repeat, in simple to say, the exclusive chapters covered in CMA Inter, but not in CA Inter. Similarly, CMA Foundation Crash Batch is also available for just 2,000 rupees. for just 2000 rupees. And before you buy these courses, kindly go through the details given in the description. These are the details given in the description. Have a happy learning. And as I requested you, please do share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done it earlier.